stuck, bored in the house, have nothing to do, cook something. A little bit of olive oil, chop up a little onion, sharp knife is important. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, on low to medium heat, let's get these onions going. We want to slightly caramelize them to bring out the sweetness. A little salt. Going for a little red pepper. Low and slow. It's always good to stash a little basil that you have left over in the garden in the freezer for later cooking. The fresh basil adds a nice aroma to the sauce. Okay, not fresh cut, but a little bit of garlic. Maybe a little more. Always keep stock. Nicely caramelized. Add to the mixture. Maybe some crushed. Maybe some diced. Whatever you've got on hand. Add some water. Still available from the tap. Turn up the heat a little bit. Give it a nice stir to get those caramelized onions, garlic, and basil mixed throughout. I like to add a little sugar into the mix. It helps take out some of the tart of the tomatoes. Also helps reduce the heartburn factor. Don't forget to recycle the cans. Go ahead, grab a little of that leftover wine you've got in the back of the fridge. A little bit will add some extra flavor. We can stop right there for the vegetarian version, but those of you who want a little more flavor, let's add some meat. A little bit of ground chuck will be fine. Small pan, medium heat, maybe about a half a pound. Salt, pepper to taste. Get it nicely browned. The sauce, once it's come to a full boil, lower your temperature. Give a good stir. I'm gonna let this simmer, well, a good few hours and cook down. Look at those robust flavors and colors. Once you've rendered most of the fat from the ground beef, we're gonna add it into our sauce. Don't be afraid of the fat. Fat is flavor. Get it all mixed in and incorporated throughout. Don't forget to clean as you go. A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. So in about 2 hours, we're gonna have a nice pot of sauce. So what'd that cost us? So, we started with a piece of an onion that we had left over. Let's add in a quarter for that. We had a little bit of basil from the garden. Saved, $0. Didn't cost me anything on that. I used a little bit of crushed garlic. 10 cents maybe worth. Okay. Salt, pepper, miscellaneous spices, red pepper. Let's throw in 50 cents for that. We had one large can of tomatoes. Picked it up yesterday. It cost me $2.09. Only one they had on the shelf. So we got it. And then we had one small can of tomatoes that we found over at Dollar General. Cost us 79 cents. We'll add that in. Water from the tap. And a big $0. So our total here, $3.73 for that big old pot of sauce. Much more cost effective than that corn syrup sauce you get pre-packaged in the jar. Stay away from the middle aisles typically in the grocery store. Well, that was the first episode of Barry's Cooking on a Budget, Cooking in Quarantine. Hope you enjoyed. I think I'm gonna crack out the new KitchenAid mixer and the nice pasta machine our friend Sean got me, and maybe the next episode will be homemade pasta. Y'all stay safe out there.